Welcome guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see how we can set a custom page as a home page. So if you want in your website, then when a user comes, user sees not the blog post, something else in the front page, and then he clicks to the blog page. So currently if we go to our theme here, we have the home page and the blog page set up. So by default, if you go to the WordPress, you won't see it this way. So if you go to dashboard and in settings and in reading, we can set here what page we want. So currently it says your latest posts. So if I go here on the front page, it's showing me the latest posts. So if I say here a static page and I select home page, and for the posts I select a blog page, now it is going to check for a custom page. So first of all, it's going to display us the home page content. So here we have home and some content displaying, and this content is coming from the pages. So if I go to dashboard, pages, all pages, here we have home page, and it is currently set as a front page here. It displays at this page as well, and here you can see blog pages displaying the posts. So here if I edit, and you will see the content, whatever content you have here going to be displayed into your front page. But if you want, you can even more edit it further programmatically. So we can create a separate file for our front page. So let's see how we can do that and display some content differently on our front page. Alright, so in your theme, if you don't have the pages structured this way, you can do this. Only go to the dashboard area there, go into pages and create the pages, especially two pages here, one for blog and second for home. You can leave them empty. Currently, if you see my blog page is empty, and the same way the home page. So I have some content here. It's up to you if you want to show this content on your front page, so you can have the content here if you want to. Then once you have these two pages, simply go to setting, reading, and change here. Select home page, which page you want. I want home page as home, so I selected that. For posts, I want blog page. So when I go to the site of mine and I go here, it's working as we want. Now, when we are on home page, we want to have a separate file, because currently this is happening if you see the styling, it's just the same as about. So we have about here and home here, so it's quite similar. So I want a particular file, which is going to be responsible for home page, and whatever effects or things I add in that file, it should only work in this on the front page. So if I want to add a slider or something, that will come only on front page, not on every page. So for that, what we need to do, we need to go into the directory, and here we can create a file. So it's going to be front-page.php. All right, here I say hello, and save this, go here, refresh the page, you will see hello here. Now this file is telling WordPress that for front page, use me. So anything going to be displayed on front page going to be from here, so you can have some custom content. So if I go to index.php, currently we are looping through here from the content. So what I do is simply copy and paste from here, and I'm going to put in here. I'm going to remove the yellow, save this. Now we don't want sidebar in this front page, so I'm going to remove that. And another thing is I want, let's see what it happens currently. So I save this, go to the front page, refresh. We have the front page showing up here, but it's displaying like a post. So I don't want that. I just want to remove this home and meta tags. So for that, what I do, I simply remove this, and I say here the underscore content. So it's going to display as the content. I don't want to show the user that it is a home page. It's by default user coming here, so we don't want to title here, homepage. Now, if I go to the project that we have initially here, so if you notice, we have some content showing up here, and then we have the general category posts, technology category posts, and world category posts. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add a few posts, and then we are going to display those posts here. And for doing this, we are going to use WP query, and that's another advanced step we are going to do, and that's going to be very useful for you so that you can get any kind of data in WordPress and display anywhere you want. So we're going to do that in the next video. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.